this is our 50th year for Katragala this year.
Oh.
So this has been happening every year, 50 years. It's a local community. You'll have seen the parade. The children get involved from local schools. And then we had the local Morris dancers. And then today we've had past queens come in for a special one for today. So queens who have walked in the procession over the past 50 years.
Okay.
And they're crowning the queen any moment on the stage now. So if you want to go and watch that. So they'll hand over, last year's queen will retire and hand over the reins and the crown to the new queen.
Okay. That's nice.
And then they will officially open the show.
Okay. So
Yeah, lots to do, lots to eat, lots to drink, and the sun is shining.
awesome. Thank you so much. பாத்தீங்களா இது வருஷம் கொண்டாடுறாங்க ஆனால் எங்களுக்கு இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் சீரியஸ்லி 50th இயர் அவங்க வந்து இந்த செலிப்ரேஷன் வந்து 50th இயர் இன்னைக்கு அவங்க கொண்டாடுறது நாங்கள் பாருங்க கரெக்டாக 50th இயரில் வந்துட்டோம் பார்த்தீங்களா